welcome to our YouTube series in which we are solving UPSC prelims PYQs. Here we are solving modern history from 1979 to 2024, and similar initiatives have been going on for economy. You can also check out our previous videos on geography and environment as well as polity. So let's start. Today's topic is struggle for Swaraj, which is part 2. For part 1, you can see the earlier video. Let's move with the questions. Question number 1. मैच लिस्ट 1 विथ लिस्ट 2 1997 का क्वेश्चन है। आइए सॉल्व करते हैं। मुपला रिवोल्ट वाज इन केरला इफ यू नो। तो ए इज 1, तो अपने आप ये कट गया एंड ये कट गया। फिर लेफ्ट विथ ए एंड सी। देन पबना रिवोल्ट इज इन बंगाल। इट हैपेंड ड्यूरिंग 1873। 1873। मुपला रिवोल्ट हैपेंड ड्यूरिंग 1920-21। एकम मूवमेंट लगभग 1921 का था एंड इट वाज अवध रीजन। एंड लास्ट में बिरसा मुंडा मूवमेंट जो है प्रेजेंट डे झारखंड, उस टाइम बिहार, it was around 1899. The answer is A. A is 1, B is 3, C is 4, and D is 2. Moving to next question. Okay, you can see the solution here. Mopla revolt happened in Malabar, Kerala mein 1921. Pabna in East Bengal, 1873. Eka was 1921 by Madari Pasi. And then Birsa Munda movement or revolt in 1899 in Ranchi, Bihar. No, it is a part of Jharkhand. Moving to next question. Which one of the following defines extremist ideology during the early phase of Indian freedom movement? कौन सा एक्सट्रीमिस्ट आइडियोलॉजी को डिफाइन करता है? देखते हैं। Simulating the production of indigenous articles by giving them preference over imported communities. Obtaining self-government by aggressive means in the place of constitutional struggle. Right? Constitutional struggle was 3 Ps by moderates. Providing national education according to the requirements. Organizing coup against the British Empire through military revolt. Now, if you see, this is revolutionary terrorism. ये हटाते हैं. Providing national education according to requirement is very absurd statement. All wanted to provide education. Supporting the production of indigenous article was kind of Swadeshi and boycott, but was main definition which is defining the extremist ideology is this: to obtain the self-government by aggressive means, by extra constitutional means in the place of only constitutional means. ठीक है? It talked about extra constitutional struggle. The answer is B. Now, question number 3. Consider the following events. 1999 का क्वेश्चन है, इसको अरेंज करना है। यूपीएससी फिर से अरेंजमेंट वाले क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकता है। आइए देखते हैं इसको कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं। इंडिगो रिवोल्ट हैपेंड, बहुत फेमस है रिवोल्ट है ना? एंड यूपीएससी बार बार इसको पूछता रहता है। नील विद्रोह कहते हैं। नाउ इफ यू सी, इंडिगो रिवोल्ट लगभग 1860 में हुआ है। यू नो म्यूटिनी ऑफ सिपॉयज, ये सबको पता है, 1857, राइट? डेक्कन राइट हैपेंड इन 1875 एंड लास्ट में संथाल रेबेलियन हैपेंड इन 1855 1856। तो अब अरेंज करते हैं। दिस विल कम फर्स्ट, then second, then third, and then fourth. Right? So B, D, A, C. So the answer is D. You can see. Moving to next question. Question number 4. The Congress policy of pray and petition ultimately came to an end under the guidance of Bal Gangadhar Tilak was extremist, and pray and petition, 3 Ps by moderates, ended by Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Question number 4B. Moving to next question. The basic weakness of the early nationalist movement lays in its narrow social base. Yes, when moderates were there, जो social base था वो narrow था. It fought for the narrow interest of the social groups which joined it. No, you can say that moderates fought for the common people also, but they do not have the faith over the masses. This is wrong. This is correct. You can say answer is C. Moving to next question. आपको बता दें कि हमारा सी साइड स्टार्ट हो रहा है by देवेंद्र सर. You can take the screenshot here. It will have 50 plus classes, worksheets, booklets, and tests. Right? You can join it and see the component of the course. Moving to next question, which is question number 6. A London branch of All India Muslim League was established in 1908 under the presidency of. Now, ऐसे क्वेश्चन बहुत फैक्चुअल होते हैं, तो अगर नहीं पता है तो ज़्यादा चांस है कि आप गलत करोगे। बट यू सी, इट्स और नॉट लियाकत अली खान, एम.ए. जिन्ना ने भी उस टाइम मुस्लिम लीग ज्वाइन नहीं किया, तो ये दोनों तो नहीं है। फाइन। अब आगा खान was involved in the formation of Muslim League in India. If you know the some fact, तो odd one out में आमिर अली बच रहे हैं and he is the answer. 6 is B. Moving to next question. With reference to Indian freedom struggle, which one of the following statements is not correct? Not correct पूछा हुआ. बढ़ते हैं. Hakim Ajmal Khan was one of the leaders to start a nationalist and militant RR movement. When the Indian National Congress was formed, Sayyid Ahmad Khan opposed it. Yes, he opposed it. The All India Muslim League, which was formed in 1906, vehemently opposed the partition of Bengal and separate elect. No. ठीक है, तो this was not correct. The answer is C. Maulana Barkatullah and Maulana Abdullah Sindhi were among those who formed the provisional government of India in Kabul. Yes, ठीक है, they formed. It is not correct. Right? They were not against separate electorates. Moving to next question. Question number 8. During Indian freedom struggle, the National Social Conference was formed. नेशनल सोशल कांग्रेस कब का क्वेश्चन है 2012 का. व्हाट वाज इट्स एम फॉर इट्स फॉर्मेशन. क्यों बना ये देखते हैं. डिफरेंट सोशल रिफॉर्म ग्रुप्स of the Bengal united to form a single body. No, absurd statement. Indian National Congress did not want to include social reforms in its deliberations and decided to form a separate body. Yes, India was an orthodox society. Now, अगर social reforms भी include हो जाता है as an issue, it would be very difficult to come on a political consensus and it would be very hard to bring consensus for every section. इस वजह से एक अलग बॉडी बनाई गई. Right? The answer is B. Moving to next question. The demand for the Tebhaga movement in the Bengal was for 2013 का क्वेश्चन है. तेभागा ये देख सकते हैं. तेभागा. तेभागा refers to any 3 या 3. भागा is part. ठीक है, तो अगर सबसे मिलता जुलता अगर आंसर देखो ये है रिडक्शन ऑफ शेयर ऑफ द लैंडलॉर्ड्स फ्रॉम 1/2 of the crop to 1/3. So Bargardars were demanding this Tebhaga from Jotedars. Moving to next question. Which one of the following movement has contributed to a split in the Indian National Congress, resulting in the emergence of moderates and extremists? The if we see Quit India movement happened in 1942, non-cooperation 1921, civil disobedience 1931, and जो split हुआ था 1907, सूरत split था, and it happened after the Swadeshi movement. Answer is this, Swadeshi movement 1905. Moving to next question. The Swadeshi and boycott were adopted as a method of the struggle for the first time during not home rule, not non-cooperation, not the Simon Commission, but agitation against the partition of Bengal. Easy question, बहुत easy question. Moving to next. What was the main reason for the split in Indian National Congress at Surat in split? आप देख सकते हो बार बार यूपीएससी उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस रिपीट कर रही है. Fine. तो main reason for the split was extremists lacked faith over moderate strategy. तो अगर मैं देखूं तो फाउंडेशन ऑफ मुस्लिम लीग नहीं है, घोष एबिलिटी टू इलेक्टेड एज अ प्रेसिडेंट नहीं है, इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ कम्युनिज्म नहीं है, but extremist lack of faith in the capacity of moderates to negotiate with British government is the answer. Answer is B. Moving to next question. With reference to Swadeshi movement, consider the following statements. It contributed to the revival of indigenous artisan craft and industries. Yes. The National Council of Education, which formed in 1906, was established as a part of Swadeshi movement, which happened in 1905. देख सकते हो? Yes. The answer is C. With this, we conclude our this part of the video. For other parts, you can check out the playlist. Thank you.